You might think Scotland is too cloudy for solar power, but the reality is quite different. With over 1.2 gigawatts of capacity already installed, solar is actually exploding across the country. The problem is that many people still believe our variable weather makes panels a bad investment. In truth, modern technology from brands like LG Solar and SunPower is specifically designed to thrive in diffused light and harsh conditions. LG's Neon series and SunPower's Maxion panels lead the market in efficiency, ensuring you slash your energy bills even on gray days. For those on a tighter budget, Canadian Solar offers rugged durability that handles the Scottish climate without breaking the bank. Investing in these top-tier systems means 25 years of clean energy and massive long-term savings. It is time to stop waiting for the sun and start harvesting the light we have. Subscribe for more energy tips.